Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technology Glance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can unhide the offensive comments on Threads app. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technology Glance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon. Then select the hamburger menu. Next, open privacy and then select the hidden words. Here, tap on the button beside off under offensive words and phrases. And that's it. This is how you can unhide offensive words and phrases on Threads app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we'll love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.